Good evening, children. Welcome to Akshar Online Classes. This is Ghaffar sir, your physics faculty. Let's start our session. In the last class, we are in a heat and temperature topic, isn't it? Children, is my voice is audible? Children is my Thank you very much. So actually, we are in the topic of what? Heat and temperature. Yeah, we are learning heat and temperature topic. Now, this in that heat and temperature, I have given the explanation about heat. I have also given about temperature, and also I explained about differences between heat and temperature. Okay, now the study about heat is called calorimetry. The study about temperature is called thermometry. Understand? So here today we learn about how to measure different temperature scales. Different temperature scales we learn. Actually, to measure the temperature, we will use a instrument called a thermometer. In the thermometer, we have different types of scales. We have that different types of the scales today we will learn in this session. Understand? Can I start? Yeah. So write down temperature scales. Temperature scales. Where we use this temperature scale? We use this temperature scales on the thermometer. What is here thermometer? Thermometer is an instrument to measure the temperature. Understand? Thermometer is an instrument to measure the temperature. We'll use in that temperature thermometer. We will have some scales. The different scales today we'll discuss. Understand? Understand? Let's first thing is first scale is Celsius thermometer. Celsius scale. First scale is what? Celsius scale. Second scale is what? Fahrenheit scale. And third one is, can you tell me? Kelvin. Very good. Kelvin. Fourth one is, we have Ramer scale. So this is the way we have different types of scales we have. Before learning about these scales,
What is fourth scale?
Fourth scale, Ramer. Ramer scale. Here the thing is to use these scales, we have to use something terminology. I will say now. That is nothing but LFP and UFP. What is that? LFP and UFP. So write down about LFP and UFP. What is mean by LFP? LFP means lower fixed point. Lower fixed point. And what is about UFP? Guess.
Sir, upper fixed point.
Very good. Upper fixed point. LFP means lower fixed point. UFP means upper fixed point. But the thing is, which point we will call as a lower fixed point? Which point we will call as a lower fixed point? Yeah, can I tell?
Sir?
Yeah, tell me. Tell me, boy.
Sir, the lowest number in a thermometer is lower fixed point.
Very good. That is a exact answer, but slight difference we have. Can I say what is the slight difference?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that slight difference is where the ice is melting. At which point the ice is melting, the point of temperature we call lower fixed point. Understand? At what temperature the ice is melting? Better write down at what temperature the ice is melting. The temperature point is called lower fixed point. It is a point It is a point where ice melts. Where ice melts. Understand? Similar way, what is mean by upper fixed point then? Guess what is the upper fixed point? Where ice melts, the point of temperature is called lower fixed point. Next, what about upper fixed
Sir,
point?
the point at which the water boils is
Very good, very good. It is a point of temperature. It is a point where water will boil. Point where water will boil. It is a point where water will boil is called what? Upper fixed point. Understand? So this is the useful terminology related to these scales. Can you start the how to use the scales here? Yeah, the very important thing is here different scales we have. In different scales we have. For example, what is the body temperature? What is the normal body temperature generally? What is the normal body temperature? The normal body temperature is 98 Fahrenheit. 98 degree Fahrenheit is the normal body temperature. Understand? When this is a 98 Fahrenheit, so here what is this Fahrenheit here? Fahrenheit is a Fahrenheit is a measurement temperature scale kada, temperature scale, which means this value of temperature, the body temperature we have given in Fahrenheit scale. But the same thing, what is the value if you use the Celsius scale? What is the value of the same temperature if you use Celsius scale? At the same time, if you use a Kelvin scale, what is the value of body temperature? So that is nothing but conversion between the scales. The conversion between the scales we have to do now. Understand? Conversion between the scales. Further, I will take the thermometers. I will take thermometers. Let us take thermometers here. Can I take thermometers? So here, this is a thermometer. How many thermometers I will take? Totally 4 thermometers will take. Sorry, this is not fair. This is one thermometer. Okay, this is one thermometer. Next one is, this is one more thermometer. This is one more thermometer, and this is one more thermometer.
how many types of thermometers, sir?
How
many types of thermometers are there?
How many thermometers? I am taking. How many thermometers I am taking here? 4 thermometers I am taking. This first thermometer is having the scale degree Celsius. What is the scale in the first thermometer? Degree Celsius. In the second thermometer having Fahrenheit thermometer. This is a Kelvin thermometer. This is Raman thermometer. So that way how many scales of thermometer I have taken? 4. Now this all thermometers initially I placed in a where? Ice cubes. When I have placed in a ice. Simply ice. When I place it in ice, in this thermometer actually mercury present. The mercury rises to which level in 4 thermometers? The mercury decreases the level up to some here. Yes or no? So some more here. This is called lower fixed point. Why this line is called lower fixed point? Because this all thermometers present in what? Where? The all thermometers present in where? Ice kada. When this ice when ice at what temperature, that ice, where ice is present, that is called lower fixed point. So lower fixed point for all the thermometers would be this. Kada? Next same way. Now I'm placing these 4 thermometers now in the boiled water. I placed here now these 4 thermometers I placed down in the boiling water. When I placed these 4 thermometers in the boiling water, what going to be happen? In the thermometer the liquid increase kada. So in all thermometers the increase level is this, because in the all thermometers mercury is only present. So this is now this point is called what? Upper fixed point. Understand? But here the thing is, for the Celsius scale, the lower fixed point is 0 degrees Celsius. Understand? But what is upper fixed point for Celsius scale? 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius. Similar way, what is the lower fixed point for Fahrenheit? Lower fixed point for Fahrenheit is very good. 32 Fahrenheit. 32 Fahrenheit is a lower fixed point for what? Lower fixed point for Fahrenheit. Now same way, what is the upper fixed point? 212 Fahrenheit is a upper fixed point. Similar way, what is the lower fixed point for Kelvin scale? 273. 273 Kelvin is a lowest fixed point for what? Kelvin scale. Similar way, upper fixed point is 373. 273 and 373. Similar way, what is the lower fixed point for Raman scale is 0, 0 R. Then what is the upper fixed point for Raman scale? It is 80 R. So this is a way different thermometer scales having different UFP and LFP. But the thing is, the raising height of the mercury level in all thermometers is equal, because we are using here mercury thermometers. When you place the mercury thermometers in the ice, the shrink for the liquid, the mercury shrink lower fixed point. Same way, if you place this all 4 thermometers in the boiled water, they will expand, liquid will expand equally in all thermometers. So, but the different thermometers having different low FP, LFP and UFP values. So that way the LFP and UFP values are given. Now the same thing now I will keep in a warm water. When I keep in the warm water, it will raises highest level or lowest level?
Highest level.
I have kept this 4 in warm water, not boiled water. Then what going to be happen? It raises not highest, it will can't go to the 0 level. Yes or no? It would be something level this kada. When it raises something level here, this reading of Celsius scale I can take as C, this will take as F, this will take Kelvin, this will take as a Raman. Understand? Now look at this here. Look at here. This length by this length, 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 everywhere is constant or same. For all thermometers, the length, this length by this length, this length by this length is constant or constant or different for all thermometers? Need to say the answer. Huh? Yeah, look at here. This length, this length, this length, this length, same or different? Same for all. But what is this C? C is a temper.
Your voice and video are breaking, sir.
Really?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, it's no, it seems. I think it is your network issue. Okay. Now, this length, this length, this length in all thermometers equal. Even this length also what? Equal or different? This length, this length, this length, this length equal or different? Equal or different? Equal. Okay. So the thing is, this is called a thermometer reading. thermometer reading minus thermometer reading minus this is called LFP value upon UFP minus LFP is equal to constant. Understand? So if for every thermometer, the thermometer reading minus LFP ratio between UFP minus LFP ratio for every thermometer is same. So that same is so that I kept as a constant. So by using this generalized equation, I will apply for this all. So here for Celsius thermometer, what is the temperature reading here? Temperature reading is a C. And what is the LFP value for the Celsius scale? LFP value for the Celsius scale, tell me. 0. UFP value of Celsius scale is how much?
0.
UFP value of Celsius scale is 100. LFP value of Celsius scale is how much?
What, sir?
LFP value of Celsius scale.
LFP, sir?
100 is equal to, same way for Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit value, thermometer reading is what? F. LFP value is what? 32 by UFP value of Fahrenheit. 212, very good. Minus LFP value is 32, very good. Is equal to, same way for Kelvin scale. For the Kelvin scale, the temperature reading we can take K minus 273 upon, what is the UFP value of 373 minus 273 is equal to, for Ramer, tell me for Ramer. R minus 0 by, very good. 80 minus 0. So simplify this all the things. What is the answer we'll have? C by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by, this is 180, is equal to K minus 273 by 100 is equal to R by 80 is equal to constant. So this is the formula is helping you. This is the formula is helping you to convert the temperature scales from one scale to another scale. Understand? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll now we'll use this. How to use this equation? Let us know. No, I'll give some problems to you so that you understand how to do this. Okay, now.
Okay, sir.
Now, for example, here I am having example problem I am giving now. The example problem is, here I am having 40 degrees Celsius temperature. How much is the temperature I am having? 40 degrees Celsius temperature I am having. Okay, a body having how many degrees Celsius? 40 degrees Celsius. I want this 40 degrees Celsius temperature first in Fahrenheit. In what? Fahrenheit. The same temperature in Fahrenheit, same temperature in Kelvin, same temperature in Ramer. Understand? Kelvin, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, Ramer scales, I want the temperature. What we will use? Which formula will use to convert this 40 degrees Celsius to other scales? What is the formula? Just now I have given. What is the formula here? What is the formula? C by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180 is equal to K minus 273 by 100 is equal to R by 80. This is the formula, it is helpful. First, we have to convert this 40 degrees Celsius to which scale first of all? Fahrenheit. So for that, use these two relations. If you use these two relations, that is C by 100. C by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180 kada. So 0 0 gets cancelled. How many times it will go? 2 5s are 2 9s are. So finally C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. So here the thermometer reading in Celsius scale, how much I given? So you apply here 40 by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. 5 ones are 5 8s are. So 8 is equal to F minus 32 by, cross multiply here, cross multiply. Not like that. 9 8s are. What is 9 8s? 72. 72 is equal to F minus 32. So then F is equal to how much? 72 plus 32. 72 plus 32 value is? Yeah, that is the answer. So 104 Fahrenheit is our temperature. 40 degrees Celsius is equal to how much temperature? 104 degrees Fahrenheit. 104 Fahrenheit. Same way, I want in Kelvin. For having the Kelvin, what will use? These two relations you can use. Tell me these two relations. Tell me these two relations.
What, sir?
This one and this one you can use. So what is that? C by 100 is equal to K minus 273 by 100. So here, any cancellations?
No, sir.
So this one gets cancelled kada? C is equal to K minus 273. But what is the temperature scale, temperature reading in a Celsius scale?
40 degrees.
40 degrees is equal to K minus 273. K is equal to what? K is equal to what?
100.
40 plus 273. K is equal to what? 40 plus 273. 40 plus 27, I mean, 303 Kelvin is our temperature in Kelvin scale.
Then how to find Raman's?
Yeah, that is. To find the Raman, again what we need to do? These two relations we need to equate.
Okay, sir.
Equate these two relations. C by 100 is equal to, C by 100 is equal to what? Very good. R by 80. 0 0 gets cancelled. C value is what? 40 by 10 is equal to R by 80. 0 0 gets cancelled. R is equal to 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32. 32 R is our answer. Okay? The same 40 degrees. 32 Raman, not degrees, 32 Raman. Here, same 40 degrees In the Celsius scale, 40 degrees Celsius scale, in the Fahrenheit is 104 Fahrenheit. This in the Kelvin is 303 Kelvin. The same way in the Raman 32 Raman. Note down. Can I give one more question? Yeah, I'll give one more question. Similar kind?
Sir, once more, sir, I will take screenshot of it.
Yeah, take it.
Yes, look, sir.
Yeah, now. No. Tell me. Now I'll give one more problem, similar kind.
Degree Celsius.
For example, one more example. So here, let me take
50.
no, not 50, 30. Let me take 10 degree Fahrenheit. 10 Fahrenheit temperature. 10 Fahrenheit temperature. That is I want in degree Celsius. Next Kelvin square. Next Raman. Will you do it now?
Yes, sir.
What formula we need to use? What formula we need to use?
C by 100 is equals to
Hmm.
S minus 32 by 180 is equals to
Hmm.
A minus 223 by 100 is equals to R by 80.
Hmm. Tell me once again. C by
100
hmm. Hmm. Next. Hmm. Very good.
by 80
Hmm.
is equals to K is equals to K minus 273 by 100 is equals to R by 80.
R by 8. Understand? So now here, what is the thing we need to do here? What is the thing we need to do? What is the thing need to use? So first, to find the Celsius scale value, which relations we need to equate? First of all, you can equate these two relations. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Then equate these two relations.
To convert 10 degrees Fahrenheit
C by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180. So simple calculate here. 0, 0 gets cancelled. This is 5. This is 9. Understand? So C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. But what is F here? What is F? C by 5 is equal to what is F? Yeah, very good. 10 minus 32 by 9. 10 minus 32. 10 minus 32.
22.
Minus or plus?
The plus
How plus, boy? Small value.
sir minus sir.
Yeah, minus. C by 5 is equal to minus 22 by 9. So from here C is equal to minus 22 into 5 by 9. Simplify it and tell me the answer. What is the value? So here 20, 25 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 11. So finally minus 110 by 9. 110 by 9. Minus 110 by 9. What is the value of minus 110 by 9? It would be how much? How many times it will go?
11.2.
11.2 or 1.2?
Sir
11.2 or 1.2? How many times it will go?
11.2.
Is 11.2 11.2 times it will go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, something minus 11.2 degrees Celsius is your what? Is your what? Celsius scale reading. Next, same way, find Kelvin scale. To find the Kelvin scale, which relation you need to equate here? To find the Kelvin scale, which relation we need to equate? These two relations we need to equate, kada?
Yes, sir.
Equate these two relations, then
Fahrenheit and Kelvin.
instead of that, equating these two relations is very easy. Already you know Celsius scale reading, kada? Already know Celsius scale reading. What is the Celsius scale reading? 110 by 9 is a Celsius scale reading. Already you know it. So that you can relate these two relations, it is easier. Then if I relate these two relations, what is the answer you have? C by 100 is equal to K minus 273 upon 100 kada? Yes or no? This one gets cancelled. Understand? C is equal to K minus 273. Got my point? But what is the C value? Minus
110.
by 110 by 9 is equal to K minus 273. Then K is equal to 273 minus 110 by 9. 273 minus what?
We can do, sir.
Uh,
I didn't understand, sir, that part.
the relation.
273.
Hmm.
273
Hmm.
minus 110 by 9. How we should do, sir?
Multiple. What is the 210 1110 by 9 value is how much? 1110 by 9 value. What is the 1110 by 9 value?
Minus 11.2.
Yeah, what is that 1110 by 9 value? 1110 by 9, that is actually 12.22. That is not 11.2, that is 12.2. Make it correct here, 12.2. So here K is equal to 273 minus 12.2. Subtract from 273 to 12.2. Subtract 273, 12, subtract it, how much you'll have? How much you have? Subtraction,
Checking, sir.
checking. Yes.
261, sir.
So here this is 1, this is 6, yeah, 261. So Kelvin scale is 261.8 Kelvin is our answer. Yeah.
Oh, 8 came, sir.
Wait. Here this is 0 kada. I borrowed 1 here so that it become 10 minus.
Okay, sir.
Ayyo. Completed?
Okay, sir.
Next similar way, find the answer in Raman. Find the answer in Raman scale. Find the answer.
C100 is equals to R by 80.
Very good. Simple, that is actually.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Will you do?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Make it fast. C by 100 is equal to R by 80. 0 gets cancelled. C value already you know, minus 1110 by 9 by 10 is equal to R by 8. So this 0 gets cancelled. Minus 11 by 9 is equal to R by 80. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
From here, R is equal to minus 11 into 80. Sorry. Yeah, I'm doing wrong. Wait. C, this 0 gets cancelled. C by 10 is equal to R by 8. What is C value? What is C value? Minus 1110 by 9 by 10 is equal to R by 8. 0 gets cancelled. Minus 11 by 9 is equal to R by 8. So from here R is equal to minus 11 into 8 by 9. So this is your simplified 11 8s are 88 minus 88 by 9. Minus 88 by 9 value is what?
Checking, sir.
You are calculated.
9.4.
Yeah. Some.
Minus 9.4.
Yeah. So this is the something else. So let's do one more. Our body temperature will find now. What is the? Yeah. You want this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Take this.
Okay.
Yeah. Now let's do our body temperature once for all the cases. What is the normal human body temperature? 90. Normal human body temperature. 98 Fahrenheit. Kada? When it is 98 Fahrenheit, so do it. 98 degree Fahrenheit temperature is equal to how many degrees Celsius? Is equal to how many degrees Celsius? Same way, how many degree Fahrenheit already done kada? Already it is in Fahrenheit. Kelvin. Next Raman. Will you find now this?
Give homework, sir.
No, do it. I do first. Do it Celsius scale. Remaining thing I'll give homework. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Celsius scale. Find out Celsius scale. Which formula will use to find the answer? Which formula will use? Which formula will use?
C by 10. C by 10 is equal to
C by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180 is equal to K minus 273 by 100. Understand? So to find that, this is in Fahrenheit kada. When it is Fahrenheit, which relation you will use? These two relations you can use. Okay. C by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180 0 0 5 is a 9 is a. So from here C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9. What is C value? We have to find C value kada. C by 5 is equal to F value. What is F value? 98 Fahrenheit by 9. So simplify it. You'll have the which value? So final 98 minus 32. What is the value of 98 minus 32? What is the value of
66.
66? Very good.
By 9.
C by 5 is equal to 66 by 9. C is equal to 66 into 5 by 9. C is equal to, tell me,
What, sir?
this total thing. Simplify it and tell me. What is the value?
600 by 9.
Huh?
600 by 9.
600. 66 into 5 is 600.
Yes, sir. 66 into 5, sir.
5 6 are
30.
30. 5 6 are
30.
then total is
60. 330.
330. 330 by 9. Something you'll get some approximately 40 something you'll get. Okay na? So this is your topic. Now next you can take the remaining scales you can take as a homework. Similar way do some other problems. Okay. In the next class we will discuss different types of thermometers. This is different types of scales. Amma?
They keep testing simple, sir.
Yeah, will keep test. I will not keep based on this. We'll give the test based on the previous week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the thing is what? So here these are the temperature scales. We have temperature thermometers, different types of thermometers. That is will learn in the next class. Okay, na? Bye.
Sir, can you tell, sir, that 3 types of thermometers?
Types of thermometers. Yeah, one is what? No. Yeah. Laboratory, clinical. Next, not only laboratory, clinical. 6 maximum minimum thermometer also there. Not only that, we have mercury thermometer, alcohol thermometer, gas thermometer, different types of thermometer based on the working principle. So we'll discuss. Okay. Yeah, very good. Bye for today.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.